Hey, what's up? No, not her, over here. I'm just your latest generation Tineco Floor 1 S5 Combo Wet and Dry Vacuum. Nice moves, Allie. Whoops, guess I could use a little bit of coffee to start my day. That looks tasty. Okay. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It's not as bad as it looks. Let me show you why Allie and Lucy really keep me around for. It's about time. I'm starving. Looks like today's scrambled eggs are a bit thicker than usual, but no worries. Nothing I can't handle by turning it up a notch. Tight corners? No big deal, friendo. All right, guys, say hello to my little friend.
Woo! Let's do this.
Get the toy. Lucy can't play with a dirty toy.
I'm on it. You've got it, boss.
Nice and clean. Aren't I just the best roommate you could ask for? Whew. It's my turn to take a shower. And a nap. Have fun, you two. I'll see you guys soon.
Start self-cleaning.